Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of the icons should be the airplane mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, tap on the icon. You will see the message airplane mode on. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And also on the watch face you will see the airplane mode icon, so you can see that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon. You will see the message airplane mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which tells you that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.